Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 18-20 Highland Street. This is Unit 20, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, 2-floor, 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. And we're going to begin our walkthrough of this unit right as you enter your rear door. You're led straight into the kitchen area. So let's begin. Kitchen houses a beautiful tile flooring throughout. The entire unit houses a nice coat of paint as well in each and every room. Kitchen houses wide open windows, lots of sunshine coming in, and plenty of cabinets surrounding the appliances over here, along with a good amount of countertop space too. Honestly, with this room, you could fit a small to medium-sized dining set. I think it has plenty of room for that. And you also have all stainless steel appliances in here, and you also have in-unit laundry housed in the kitchen as well. So in-unit laundry is included with this unit. The appliances, of course, include the medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator. Obviously, you see the washer and dryer there in the corner. You also have the 5-burner stainless steel stove and oven, the stainless steel built-in microwave, and the single-bin stainless steel sink. Wonderful. So that is your kitchen setup in here. Pretty nice area, all things considered. Next up, let's check out the double parlor. So, the double parlor houses a hardwood flooring in here. Again, a nice coat of paint throughout the entire unit. Looks great. The living area also houses wide open windows again, lots of sunshine coming in. And with this double parlor, you have plenty of room for all kinds of furniture setups, a good amount of outlets too, for any kind of electronics, entertainment system, what have you. And this double parlor leads to 2 of the bedrooms that are both on the first floor. You also have the bathroom down here, housed in the living area, and you have the private front entryway that leads straight into your unit, leads right into this living room. So again, a nice open double parlor, plenty of opportunity for all kinds of furniture setups. Go ahead real quick, give you a view from this side, showing you where we came from. Awesome. Next, we'll check out the other rooms on this first floor. We'll start with the 2 bedrooms. So we'll start with the bedroom on the left side. Pretty wide open bedroom. I think all bedrooms are pretty wide open. You have a good amount of space in each and every one of them for a standard to full-size bed set. Could potentially push queen if you wanted to. Hardwoods and fresh paint, once again. Their own closet spaces as well. All bedrooms have their own closet. And a good amount of outlets, once again, for electronics. Realistically, out of all the bedrooms, I think this one could easily be used instead of as a bedroom if you choose to. You could end up using this as an office space too. I think it's a pretty ideal area for an office if push comes to shove. Next, we'll check out the bedroom on the right side. As you can see, this one has more of an wide open layout than the first bedroom we looked at. But again, hardwoods, fresh paint, own closet space. Again, this is a pretty good bedroom. I think standard full Excel bed set works best for this. But there is a chance you could push for a queen. Lastly, on this first floor is the bathroom. Bathroom's right near your private entryway into the unit. You have a beautiful tile flooring in this bathroom. You have the full tub and shower hooked up to your your right side over here. Beautiful tile walling around it. Further in, you have a new toilet, and you have the sink area, sink vanity, and mirror vanity all housed in the corner. All right. So that is the bathroom. And that ends the first floor of this unit. Now let's go check out the second floor. Second floor houses the other 2 bedrooms, and it also houses this common area loft space. It can be used in a multitude of ways as well. On another note, the second floor also houses all carpet floorings. And again, a nice fresh coat of paint throughout the unit. Looks great. So we'll start with the loft area as you walk up the stairs. Huge space, plenty of opportunity, just like the double parlor. You have lots of different setups you can do with this. I could see this being used as another living area, or perhaps just a common area for guests. It's an open layout, tons of space in here. Use it as you wish. So that's the loft. We'll check out this bedroom as you immediately come up the stairs. This is the 3rd bedroom we're looking at. Carpet flooring, fresh paint once again. With these 2 bedrooms on the second floor, just be aware of the slanted ceilings. That would be the one thing I'd point out. With this bedroom, it is larger than the 2 on the first floor. I think this bedroom you can easily put a queen bed set in. You have your own closet space, of course, obviously. But again, queen bed set, I think you can easily fit into this bedroom if that's what you're looking for. And last but not least is the fourth and final bedroom. So this is housed towards the other side of the loft area. Carpet flooring, fresh paint, and with this bedroom, same thing, slanted ceilings. But I still think you will be able to put a queen bed set in here. It's got a wide open layout, so queen bed set should still be able to work if that's what you're looking for. So these two second floor bedrooms are bigger than the first floors. Again, carpet flooring, own closets, and these two could fit queen bed sets, no problem at all. Awesome. So once again, this is 18-20 Highland Street, Unit 20, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.